Hello and welcome to Route 99. This is DPM 121. We're again looking at an OMAT sheet which consists of the synonym and tonym type vocabulary based question and a grammar question. Okay. The first word I have here is magnanimous. We have studied this word earlier as well in one of our sheet, which means someone kind, generous, right? And we are looking for a word which means just the opposite. Let's start with the last word. Big hearted means the same thing as magnanimous. Forgiving is a feature of magnanimous. Charitable is also a feature of magnanimous. So they are one way or the other synonyms to magnanimous. But patty is opposite, right? It means someone miser, parsimonious, right? This is my correct answer. Copious. Copious is something plentiful, abundant or ample, but not scanty, which means scarce, right? तो ये उसका opposite है. Vicarious is something not felt by you yourself, but you have experienced it through the mouth of someone else, or in a sense it is a second-hand experience, right? Not derivative, which means copied from somewhere. Proxy is a replacement for something, a temporary replacement for something, or someone doing it on behalf of something. So this is also not my answer. Empathetic is not at all related, right? So my correct answer is second hand. So this in these questions we were supposed to find the synonyms, right? The first two questions we were looking for antonyms. Here we have to find synonym. Parochial is old, but it more precisely means something narrow, right? Rooted in old thoughts. Pernicious is something destructive which causes harm. Recalcitrant is formal protest towards someone or something. Narrow-minded is exactly parochial, right? Something rooted in old thought process. Limited is not relevant to the discussion. So my correct answer is narrow-minded. Okay, grammar question. Either the father or the sons are responsible for the damage. Okay, correct. Here if you see there is either and or, and my latest subject is sons, which is plural, and thus it is are the plural verb. The data was collected and analyzed by a research team. Okay, correct. He told me that he will come yesterday. He will come yesterday. It is future, so it should be he will come tomorrow, or that he came yesterday ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए, right? So this is wrong. She entered into the room. Entered already means that she has been into the room. We don't need a into here, right? So this is wrong. The teacher insists that the student completes the assignment. This is also wrong. So the only two correct sentences are A and B, and hence one is my correct option. So that was the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.